In 2009, I had the idea to buy Billionaires.com.
The Billionaires.com miniseries is your chance to get hyper-valuable and unique takes from celebrity billionaires like Mark Cuban, Grant Cardone, Tony Robbins, and many more.
And this guy said, "This is great, I love it, I'll give you $2.5 million.
This series gives you access to exclusive insights from in-person and audio interviews, hosted by none other than the founder of the Family Office Club, Richard C. Wilson. Get started now with an official introduction to the $1 billion plus Expert Insights miniseries and see what these nationally renowned billionaires have to say about winning and succeeding in the game of capitalism.
This guy, like of all the power players I've had in here, he's the smartest guy we've had here. No doubt.
Richard C. Wilson coming to you from 16,500 feet, hiking up to Everest Base Camp in the Khumbu Icefall in Nepal. We get a lot of questions the last month and a half about the economy, where things are going. Sometimes I'm a little bit quiet on this because I can't predict the future. And like Howard Marks, a multi-billionaire founder of Oak Tree Capital, says that he can't predict the future. So why should I be trying? But he does also say that you should be able to stick your head out the window and determine where you are right now. In other words, which way is the pendulum swinging? And interest rates were at a record low. We had a 14-year bull run. I think the best investment opportunities of the last 15 years are here to come. If you want to see what the smartest family offices are doing, you can come to our investor summits every quarter and hear from 70 to 130 of them on stage over 2 to 3 days. And when we stick our head out the window right now, we see the economy getting worse through this late spring, summer, fall, because of floating rate mortgages, floating rate personal credit lines, floating rate corporate lines, and inflows into assets are down. Inflows into cannabis are down 90% from 18 months ago. Inflows into real estate are down anywhere from 60 to 80%. So people will deny that their assets should be marked down for a while, but then transactions get done at 20, 40% below where prices were at the peak. And stuff start to get marked down over time. People grow impatient. They need access to the capital, and they have to face that reality. So I see a downward sliding when I stick my head out the window. That's what I see. I think things are going to get worse, which just means exciting investment opportunities. So if you're equipped with an arsenal of investment strategies, creative investment structures that create alignment, and you have a great broad network to source better and better high quality deal flow, which we can teach you how to do through our workshops in our investment mastermind meetings that we host every month in our investor summits every quarter. Would love for you to be part of the Family Office Club. Come check out our events at familyoffices.com. This is Richard C. Wilson. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope to meet you face to face soon.